Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the UMAID brand, their high-performance pizza steel for ovens. It's 16 inches by 13.4 by 1/4 inch thick, really heavy-duty steel, and has a 15 recipe booklet. It shows you how to make some delicious pizza recipes if you have pizza dough already made. Beautiful colored pictures inside here. I love the black color. Tells you how to maintain this pizza stone also. It's got an ultra conductive carbon steel, that 1/4 inch. There's a non-stick coating on here. I'm going to show you how I know that. And this will allow you to get crispy crust, premium alternative to pizza stone for oven or grill. Now I use a pizza stone. Oh, before I forget, I want to show you how this was packaged in this beautiful pink box below here, protecting it so that you get it in your home safely. Now here's what I traditionally use. A pizza stone, just like this, and it's probably about 1/2 inch thick. It's kind of heavy, not as heavy as the steel peel, but I've gone through like 5 of these in the last 6-7 years. I'll drop them or I'll get them wet, then they'll crack in the oven. So it's one of these things you're constantly replacing them, so it's not really a good value. So I'm happy to try this product out because I don't have to worry about cracking it anymore. So let me just show you how I know this has a non-stick coating on here. This is a ohm meter that has a conductivity, and when I go to touch on here, I don't get conductivity unless I push really hard. So there is a coating on here, which is great because that's going to make it easier to clean whatever is on here, cheese and so forth, and cornmeal you typically use. See, it's got the name right there and engraved into the metal. Really, really nice. I love it's got these holes right here so that you could easily grab this and lift this up just like that, so you have access to it. Now these edges are nice, they're not sharp. Some people said they're sharp edges. I don't find these sharp at all. I think the company has corrected that issue that was early on years ago. This is really, really high quality, and you can see how thick this is. I'm going to show you right there the thickness of it, and the bottom of it is totally steel also. And if you look closely, I want to zoom in on the coating on here. Let's see if I can pick it up. But if you look closely at the coating, it's got little texture to it. And that's what's giving it some of the non-stick properties. But they're putting some coating on here. So this is great. We're going to make some New York pizza. So we have some doughs ready, and compare this to the traditional stone. Now this product gets excellent customer ratings. It outperforms traditional pizza stones, and it will warm up a lot faster than traditional pizza stones. And the reduction of cooking time is about 30%, they're saying, compared to a stone. So that's great because when we cook with this stone, we have to have the oven on for an hour. And that's something that takes a lot of energy. So we're going to avoid that now with this new steel from UMAID. So this can also be used in your grill. And you can put this on your oven with your burners, and you could use it as a grill. You know, it's up to you. This thing is a hunk of high-tech, high-temperature, high-quality baking steel with very even heat distribution that's going to allow you to cook a lot of different things. Now keep in mind this thing is heavy. It feels the weight of a bowling ball, a small one. So make sure you got the strength to hold this thing, and be careful not to drop it. It's got some solid weight to it. But this is the kind of product that you're going to have in your kitchen, and you're going to be able to pass down to generation to generation. Nothing could happen to this. It's not going to warp. When you get beyond about 3/16 of an inch, the metal doesn't warp, and this is way beyond that at 1/4 of an inch. So we're going to be testing this out and seeing how it does. So here we have it in the oven, and we're going to preheat it at high temperature for about 30 minutes. Here we're going to make a delicious New York style pizza, and we're going to be using the steel to perfectly cook it. Look at that beautiful pizza. Perfectly cooked, bottom and top. So after testing, what do I think about the UMAID, this high performance pizza steel? Both my wife and I love this product. We demonstrated a beautiful pizza made with this. I'm impressed with it. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.